pagiging madasalin at malapit sa Diyos ang itinuturing na pinakamahalagang inspirasyon at katangian bilang punong guro ni Binibining Selena Vega, isa sa mga nagawaran ng natatanging parangal bilang isa sa mga katangi-tanging punong guro sa Rehiyong 3.
She started sowing the seed of excellence in our school through these two important projects she initiated in my subject area as her department head then sa Values Education. Ito po yung project Dasal, Devote a Solemn Adoration for the Lord. It's a 12 o'clock prayer habit. Nagpaputa po siya ng centralized sound system sa school. Tapos pumipili po kami ng mga leaders, either coming from the teacher, from the students mostly. Meron din pong mga parents leading the prayer, the 12 o'clock habit. At ito po ay nag-foster ng devotion, faith, religiosity among our students and even stakeholders. To the point po, even our jeepney drivers in front of the school vicinity, ino-observe na rin po yung Project Dasal. And eventually, she was able to institutionalize the said project division-wide.
Isa rin sa mga itinuturing na tagumpay ng kanyang pamumuno ay ang pagbibigay halaga sa paghubog ng karakter ng bawat mag-aaral sa pamamagitan ng Project Mabuting Tao na umani ng pagkilala hindi lamang dito sa Pilipinas, kundi pati na rin sa ibang bansa.
The project Mabuting Tao is like a creed, a student's creed on good manners and right conduct, and it has resolved various disciplinary problems in the school.
To create a culture of excellence in the school, a lot of tasks must be done. But we have to start with the first things first, and that is to acknowledge and appreciate the gold within each teacher. So I did nothing but to harness the gold in every human resource that we have in the school. Ang paniniwala namin, hindi kayang gawin ng iisang tao ito. Kundi kung kami ay sama-sama, mas madali at mapapabilis ang tagumpay at ang kalidad, lalong tataas ang kalidad ng edukasyon.
Sa hanay po ng namin mga guro, sinisikap po niya lagi na namomotivate niya kami at nai-inspire para ibigay po namin yung aming 100% best.
Ang FG Nepomuceno Memorial High School dito sa Angeles City, Pampanga ay isa sa mga pampublikong paaralan na naging progresibo at nagkaroon ng sapat na infrastruktura at pasilidad na siyang nagbubunga ng dekalidad na edukasyon para sa mag-aaral nito.
She also institutionalized the culture of unity. Even though a particular program would be just for a particular subject, but she wanted the support from various departments para hindi raw po kami kanya-kanya. So kahit programa ko to, supported din ng iba't ibang mga departments. That's how she institutionalized unity, and from unity, sumilang po yung culture of excellence in the things that we do.
In our case, we have seen that the physical aspect of the school is very important because our students develop confidence. No? They were very excited to go to school, to report to school, at pinagmamalaki nila ang ating paaralan.
Marami po yung naging progreso ng paaralan. Physically, yung pong mga awards ng mga estudyante, yung pong mga awards na natatanggap ng mga guro.
Pag ikaw pala ay isang leader at nakikita mo ang mga kasamahan mo na naa-achieve nila ito, there is a fulfillment in your heart. No? Mararamdaman mo na nagbubunga kung ano yung ginagawa mo as a leader. The culture of excellence is not only touching the mind of our students, but more than that, is to touch the hearts of our students. And not only the students, but the parents of the students and the teachers and all the stakeholders of our school.